Today I'm going to be talking about Spotlight Search on Mac. Spotlight Search is an effective tool, an assistant you might say, which helps you in searching anything on your Mac as well as off the internet. If I could bring your attention to the top right corner in this little magnifying lens here, this is Spotlight Search. Click on it and a search bar appears on the middle of your Mac screen, right? You can also bring up the Spotlight Search with the shortcut key Command Space Bar, right? And this is dynamic. You can bring it with the help of your cursor. You can drag and drag anywhere on your screen. Now, what does Spotlight Search do? Let me start off with a simple thing. What's the weather? I'm going to type the word weather, and yes, it detects because my location is on in my Mac, and I'm living currently in Bangalore South. It is showing me the weather of Bangalore South. So that's one. Spotlight can also do calculations, right? So let me type in a number 15 plus 6 and brackets and 2 into 3 is what I'll put up here, right? So what this has just done is followed BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is where the brackets, then the order accordingly. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 6, 36, 36 plus 15 is equal to 51, right? For those of you who don't know what BODMAS is, let me just type it out here. And BODMAS is showing up in a YouTube link here saying, study about the order of doing operations as it's taught in different countries, right? So that's a different take on BODMAS, right? Furthermore, if I want to see currency values, 1 US dollar, right, is 75.51 Indian rupees. 1 euro, right, 1 Japanese yen is what I'll put it up. Yeah, it's 0.71 rupees, right? If you want to convert this thing, 1000 meters is what I'll put up here. 1 kilometer, right? 1 pound equal to 0.45 kilograms, right? Additionally, you want to search something related to a personality. Let me type Virat Kohli as he is the most popular Indian cricketer at the moment, right? So what you see search here, first thing is a key document, which is something that is there in my Mac. So that's what it searched using metadata. Then furthermore, you can see that it is actually searching online, and also it's bringing up Virat Kohli's Twitter profile, his Instagram profile, his CricBuzz profile, etc., etc. Right. So this is another dynamic search that is enabled there. What else can we search? Yes, here is something that is really fantastic with a Mac, right? Keynote, which is your equivalent to your Office PowerPoint presentation application, Keynote. So I am somebody who does a lot of keynotes regularly, but I don't remember the name of a keynote that I worked, but I know I worked it sometime during this week. So here's how I will search it: keynotes worked upon this week. Worked on this week, sorry. And you can see it's popping up keynotes that I worked on this month or this week. So I'm sorry, I apologize for that. This week. So this is how the Spotlight Search works. It's a wonderful application that's available on Mac, right? It makes your life really easy, and something that you can definitely use on a regular basis. So this is Spotlight, and for further videos and tips and tricks, please follow all our social media channels to get more.